Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 PRO, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into a recorder app. Then select Allow in the pop-ups. I already did that, so I can click on this red button right away to start my recording. You can pause it or unpause it by tapping on this left one. In order to add a bookmark, click on the right one. And if you wish to end it and save it, on the middle one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. If you want to play it, click on it. You can also rename it by going back, holding it, and choosing Rename option at the top. Now type in wherever you wish to and save your name by choosing OK in the pop-up. If you want to get rid of it instead, hold it, select Delete button, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can adjust even more recording options by tapping on this gear icon at the top right corner and managing all of them however you wish to, like format. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!